Okay, guys, so we are going to go over number 12. Let me grab my tool. Okay. So number 12, I'm dividing 850 divided by 4. So let me draw it over here. 4. I'm sorry for my ugly writing with my mouse. Okay. So what's my first step?
You have to say how many can 4 go into 8, which is 2.
Do you guys agree with that?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Melanie and Yahida. So I know that I can divide by 8. So let's do 4 times 2 is?
8.
8. What's my next step?
You have to subtract.
Subtract, okay. 8 minus 8 is?
0.
0. Then what do?
You have to bring down the 5.
Bring down the 5. Alexa, what do I do next? You're muted.
You are muted. You subtract?
Well, we just subtracted and we brought down the 5. Now I have to see what? 5 is my new number that I'm dividing. I had to see how many times can 4 go into 5. So how many times can 4 go into 5? Let's think of our multiples of 4.
0. 1.
1 time, because 4 times 1 is?
4.
Yeah, 4 times 1 is 4. So I can still divide 1 time. So I'm going to put my 4. Now what do?
Subtract.
Subtract. April, what is 5 minus 4? Can you repeat that, April? 5 minus 4.
1.
1. Thank you. Then what do?
Bring down the 0.
Bring down the 0 because I still haven't used this 0. So I'm going to bring down my 0. And now my new number is what?
10.
10. So now I have to see how many times I have to divide 10 divided by 4. So how many times can 4 go into 10?
2, because 4 times 2 equals 8.
Good. 4 times 2 equals 8. So that's the closest I'm going to get to 10. So let's go ahead and subtract. Okay. 10 minus 8?
2.
2. Is there another number to bring down?
No, so that will be the remainder.
This is my remainder. This is what is left over. Remainder 2. So what is my quotient?
212 remainder 2.
212 remainder 2. Do you notice how there's an R2? This is how it will be on your test. So my answer is H. Okay, let's try number 14. Does somebody want to read it?
Can I?
Sure, go ahead.
A group of 22 parents arrived
Oh, number 14.
at the...
Kathleen?
Kathleen plans to divide blueberries muffins among 7 classmates. If she has 14 muffins, how many muffins will each friend receive?
Good. So, what do we know?
We know that she has 7 classmates and she has 14 muffins.
And 14 muffins, and she wants each one of them to get an equal amount of muffins. So, how do I set up my problem?
You have to put 14 in the box and then 7 in the sides.
Okay, so 14, I'm going to divide by 7. Okay. So, how do I solve this? Can I do this mentally?
Yes.
Okay. So,
But you have to...
how many times can 7 go into 14?
2 times.
2 times, because 7 times 2 is
14.
14.
And then we subtract.
So I'm going to subtract. So how many muffins will each student get? Or each
2
friend?
muffins.
2 muffins. How was that one?
Easy.